Hey, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert an SD card into your GoPro Hero 9 and 10, and then how to format the SD card as well. Formatting an SD card is a great way of clearing all the space on an SD card. If you've offloaded all your footage and then you want to create some more space for a new project or a new video you want to shoot, this is a really good way to do it. It's also a good way of almost like resetting the SD card in your camera, so it actually causes less issues and errors on your GoPro camera. So we'll jump right in and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so we've got my GoPro Hero 9 here, and this is exactly the same method for Hero 9 or Hero 10. And to install a new SD card, we're going to first open this side door, and you'll notice that the SD card slot is hidden above the battery in here. It's like a nice little slot there. So we'll just get our SD card. This is my SD card of choice, which is a SanDisk Extreme Plus. There'll be a link in the description to grab these cards off Amazon. These are my preferred cards to use with a GoPro. I've used a number of different cards, and I think if you skimp on the quality of a micro SD card, it actually affects the quality and the write speed on the GoPro. So I would always try and get as big a card as you can that your budget will allow, and I would always go with SanDisk Extreme Plus. So to put them in, the card needs to go in a certain way, obviously, so it only goes in one way, and this is the way it goes in. So if you've got your camera screen facing you, the small side of the micro SD card goes in first, and you should be able to see the writing on the SD card facing towards the screen as well. So you should just slot in. I always find to use a nail to push the SD card into the best way, and you'll hear a click. You'll hear a real decisive click, and the camera will lock into position. And then all we need to do is close the door and we're good to go. Now, if we turn this camera on, we're going to format the SD card, and this is something I would recommend doing after every video session or every day shooting, so you've got a clear card and full space, and it also reduces the number of errors that your GoPro will give you as well, which I've experienced. So to format the SD card, we're going to swipe down from the top of the screen, and then we're going to swipe to the left, and then we're going to click Preferences, and then we are going to click Reset, and then we're going to simply click Format SD card. Before you click Format, you need to make sure that all the footage that you have on the card is stored either on your computer or on a hard drive or somewhere that you want to save it, if that's what you want to do, because as soon as you click Format, you will lose everything on the card, or that's currently on the card. So make sure you do that before you format that, it's important. Click Format, GoPro will do its thing. It'll take a few seconds, depending on how much you've got on there, and there we go. And then if we go back, you'll notice that we have full space ready for the next day or next video project. I hope this was useful. Subscribe for more tips.